Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So what we're discussing now was the sila. And we said regarding the mawsul sila that the sila has to be a jumla khabariya, or it can be a zarf, jar and majroor. Now, two things that we mentioned to you here. One is zarf. So here he's mentioned zarf and jar majroor separately. In some books you only have zarf, and even zarf is like a loose term, because for example, if I say yeah, so sometimes you have zarf, like it also refers to jar majroor. So zarf and jar majroor refers to any shibhul jumla. Okay, right? So if the sila is a shibhul jumla, it can be a shibhul jumla. And tamani means it gives you a complete meaning. Okay? So it's a shibhul jumla which gives you complete meaning. Now, the next part that we have is muta'alliqani bi istaqarra mahzufan. Let me explain this. What happens when you have a shibhul jumla, jar majroor or a dharf, in a sila or in a khabar? What happens if I have Zaydun fil bayt? Okay, then what happens? What do we say? That Zaydun fil bayt, sorry, not the fi, that's a mistake. Here, the jar and the majroor, simple way of saying it is jar majroor become the khabar. But it's a bit more technical way of saying this. We say the jar majroor become muta'alliq to a hidden fa'al or a hidden ismul fa'il. And the ismul fa'il will be something very common, because it's so common you don't need to mention it. So for example, you have here istaqarra, or we can have a fa'il thabitun. So the fil bayt becomes muta'alliq to this. Yes? And what do we say? We say that now this is called, now this kind of, when you have a sentence like this, we have a jar majroor, and the jar majroor become the khabar or the sila, then we call this zarf mustaqar. Why? Because we say here the dhamir huwa moves over into fil bayt, and the dhamir is embedded, becomes mustaqar. The dhamir becomes embedded into this zarf. So zarf, so this becomes zarf mustaqar. We call it zarfun mustaqar, because the dhamir from the huwa has moved over into the fil bayt. So it's hidden istaqarra, but the dhamir mustatir from there has moved over into the fil bayt. And now the zarf is mustaqar, it's a zarf, and it has a dhamir built in. And we say fi is harfun jar, al bayt is majroor, and you can say the zarfun mustaqar is mahallan marfu'. What is it? Mahallan marfu'. Understood? That's what he's saying here. This is an example of a jumla ismiya. In a sila, the jar majroor have to become to muta'alliq to istaqarra. So for example, if we have ra'aytu alladhi fil bayt. Ra'aytu alladhi fil bayt. So ra'aytu alladhi fil bayt. Now what happens now? The alladhi fil bayt, the fil bayt becomes muta'alliq to istaqarra. And this is what? The zarf mustaqar. This is the zarf mustaqar. What is this? Zarfun mustaqar. In this here, this zarf mustaqar in the jumla ismiya, it can either be a fa'il mahzuf or the ism mahzuf. Ism al-fa'il mahzuf, al-mushtaq mahzuf, ma'na al-fa'il mahzuf. In a sila, the hidden has to be a verb. Because why? The sila has to be a jumla. The sila has to be what? A jumla. If you make it a fa'il, thabitun, the thabitun fil bayt, does that become a jumla? Thabitun fil bayt.
Means he is worthy of.
No, it isn't. Because
he is worthy of this. Remember the ba, This is mansub binas il-Qatr.
Exactly. There's no mubtada khabar, no fa'il fa'il. Well done. Ahsan. So therefore, you have to make istaqarra. So the sila can become a sentence. So that's what he's saying here. That the sila, which is here, this sila,
And then this is becoming hal. So in
which is jar majroor,
of the na'ib al-fa'il.
which is give a complete meaning, is muta'alliq to istaqarra, which is mahzoof. And the zarf mustaqar. Why do you call it zarf mustaqar? Because the huwa dhamir from here is now embedded into the huwa into the fil bayt. The zarf mustaqar is a sila.
فسكت رسول الله
So this zarf mustaqar can also be a sila. So,
ثم مر
Taman means that Taman means that mawsul sila, that jar majroor gives a complete meaning. So if I say Ra'aytu alladhi fil bayt, don't you understand what it's trying to say?
regarding this person. فقال يا رسول الله هذا رجل.
Which give complete meaning.
They said, O Prophet of Allah, this is a man from the fuqara al-Muslims.
Yes.
Very, very
When? So the sila is out from that one. So if you go back to the previous slides,
worthy of Allah.
we say here the previous slides as well. والصلة إما جملة خبرية
If he gives a
أو
and
أو ظرف أو جار ومجرور, or a شبه الجملة which is جار مجرور.
وإن قال ألا يسمع
Do you understand?
قوله. And that his
Are you following? Are you following?
he has to say if he is to say something. So do you understand
Yes.
what we're translating first? Yeah? The shart we're translating right at the end. Yeah? فقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم هذا خير من ملء الأرض.
No, you see, the zarf mustaqar, the fil bayt, that's called the zarf mustaqar.
Better than what?
And zarf mustaqar means a jar or a majroor or a mudaf ilayh, where the mudaf is a zarf. And it had a hidden muta'alliq. And muta'alliq is like istaqarra or one of those hidden common words, like to be, is. Istaqarra means to exist, to be. So now this fil bayt is called zarf mustaqar.
خير من ملء الأرض مثل هذا.
Is that clear?
Yeah, explanation.
Jar majroor or mudaf ilayh. When it's a zarf mudaf ilayh. So we would say, what we're doing in basic level 1, we say what? Jar majroor becomes a khabar. It is a khabar, it's mahallan marfu, but we would say it's a zarf mustaqar is a khabar. Meaning it has the embedded zamir from the fa'il, which is mahdhuf.
Take a literal meaning, say
Yes?
that we're talking specifically about this
Okay?
and we're talking specifically
Do you understand?
this ring
So it's called zarf mustaqar. So the zarf mustaqar can also become the sila.
through wahi. This is
Do
not
you understand?
regarding anyone else. That even
And that's the end of the sila discussion.
rich person,
Okay?
this one person is better.
سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.